going to be a walk around of the two Ghel skid steers. It has a sweeper attachment, a saw cutter, and a bucket. There's more machinery. Ghel turbo. They just paved the road today. Here's the other one. Ghel again. Here's the cylinders. You pull these up to switch out the buckets. We'll go in. There's the inside, kind of beat up. Here's the levers to move it. Push both of them forward to go forward, pull them both back to go back. This one forward and that one back to turn and stuff. And then these are for your bucket, the foot pedals. And then gauges and stuff. The keys. Here's your other one. It's just as big. This one has this special remote for the hydraulic attachment. This one's just the same one. This one has a key and ignition. This is forward and reverse lever. And yeah, it's the same one.